How to convert emails to Word document. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, you will have to install this application called PDF to image. Now, in order to convert emails to Word document, all you have to do is select image and then go to next, save it.
5 से वो 24 मल्टीप्लाई 2 3 बखा तो बख
Now it will be converted into PDF. After that, all you have to do is convert it to Word. You can do it from the Word document or simply use a PDF to Word converter, install it and do the same but convert PDF to Word. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.